let's start this chapter. And this chapter is periodic properties. So periodic trends in properties and periodicity, the repetition of the properties of elements after certain intervals when the elements are arranged in order of increase in atomic number is known as periodicity. And the non-reactive nature of noble gases is due to their completely filled valence shell. Periodicity along the period, ionization enthalpy increase along the period. पीरियड्स अलॉन्ग के इंक्रीज होती जाती हैं, अलॉन्ग द पीरियड इंक्रीज होती जाती है. इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी increase along the period. Electron negativity increase along the period. Atomic radius decrease along the period. And ionic radius, the radius of isoelectronics ions decrease with increase the atomic number. And melting point and boiling point increase along the period. Density of the elements increase along the period for metallic elements from potassium and copper, and then decrease the trends along complete periods needs to more experimental support. Reducing behavior increase along the decrease along the period. Metallic character decrease along the period. And electropositive character decrease along the period. Nature of oxides, basic character of oxides decrease, and acidic character of increase along the period. So here is, you can see elements oxidize, and here you can see nature hydrides. So let's discuss about valency. Valency with respect to oxygen increased from 1 to 7 along the period. Second point, valency with respect to hydrogen increased first from 1 to 4 and then decreased to 1. Here you can see this chart. Valency with respect to oxygen and valency with respect to hydride. And here is also formula of oxide and hydride. So note में मैंने लिखा है, the group number signifies the valence of elements belonging to that group if oxygen is taken as standard. After this page, you have learned along the period, and here is periodicity down the group. So here is, you can see ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, atomic radii, ionic radii, atomic volume, MPT, BPT, density, oxidant, reductant nature. And metallic character, electropositive character, basic character of oxide, basic character of hydride. So here is down the group, periodicity down the group. Trends in physical properties. In this section, we will study the periodic trends with respect to atomic radii, ionic radii, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, and electronegativity. So atomic radius may be defined as, simply it is radius of a sphere. If atom is considered to be spherical, it is the distance of outermost cell of an atom from the center of its nucleus, being very small. Atomic radius usually expressed in nm, and 1 nm 10 angstrom, and T minus 3 pm, and 10 ki base 10 ki power minus 9 pm. In the above definition, atom is considered as a spherical object with definite boundaries, but according to quantum mechanical concept, atom does not have sharp boundaries. So in such concept, it would be difficult to define the atomic radius of an isolated gaseous atom, because it is not possible to locate exact position of electrons in an atom. As an orbital has no sharp boundaries, it is not practically possible to isolate the individual atom for determination of its atomic radius. The probability distribution of electrons in an atom will be different when its environment changes. Therefore, it is difficult to determine exact magnitude of atomic radius And fourth point is, despite the above limitation, we need some operational definition to determine the radius of an atom. Therefore, the values of atomic radii are derived from the from bond length values measured by using different techniques such as X-ray diffraction, spectroscopic methods, etc. 5 point is, various names have been proposed for atomic radii depending upon their experimental determination and nature of atoms. These are covalent radius, van der Waals radius, crystal radius or metallic radius, ionic radius,